If you want to learn how to thread your serger or overlocking machine, make sure you watch this video up to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So in case you don't have your manual or you're just feeling lazy to read your manual, I'm going to show you how to easily thread your serger. So the first thing I'm going to do is open this part. Once you open this part of the serger, there are little instructions, well illustrated and detailed illustrations. So all you have to do is follow these arrows. They will show you where your thread is supposed to pass very easily, starting from the first one, the second one, and the third one without any complications. So once you follow this step, you will never have problems threading your serger. So if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to tune in next time for more exciting sewing related tutorials. Bye, and thanks for watching.